Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Semrush for keyword research, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type semrush.com and press enter. Once the Semrush homepage loads, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be presented with options to create an account. You can either choose to sign up with your email or continue with a Google account. If you choose to sign up with email, fill in the required fields. Input your first name, last name, and a valid email address. Create a strong password and confirm it by typing it again in the designated field. Read through Semrush's terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to their terms. Click on the Create My Account button. Next, check your email for a confirmation link from Semrush. Open the email and click the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the Semrush website and log in with your email and password. After logging in, you will see a welcome dashboard. Here, take a moment to explore the user interface. To start keyword research, look for the Keyword Analytics tab in the main menu. Click on Keyword Analytics and then select Overview from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type in a keyword related to your niche. Hit Enter to see the keyword analysis results. You can explore various metrics, including search volume, keyword difficulty, and trends. Use these insights to refine your keyword strategy effectively. Throughout your research, feel free to navigate other tools available in Semrush. This will help you gain a more comprehensive understanding of your selected keywords. Once you're familiar with the interface, consider using advanced filters for more targeted results. This will enhance your keyword research process significantly. You are now all set to utilize Semrush for your keyword research needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.